Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another ATV video. Today we will be making a light whip for the Can-Am. So, I wanted to get myself one of those fancy light whips everybody seems to have on their ATVs and side-by-sides. Hell, I've been wanting to get one since I saw one on a Jeep ages ago. And as you all know, I enjoy doing things myself, so after some research I decided to make my own. I really only had to buy 4 things: a flagpole, some heat shrink tubing, and an LED strip. I also had to get a plug for the LED strip because the one I bought didn't bring one. It all ended up costing me $49.62, although that's not all completely honest because I did have to buy another LED strip controller because I shorted out the one that came with the strip. You're probably wondering why I didn't have to buy any wiring or relays or fuses or even a switch for that matter. Well, that is because the previous owner on my bike installed a light bar, and that light bar had 2 long wires coming out of it hooked up to the same relay and the same switch. I'm like 85% sure that was for a light whip. As far as the actual build goes, you just wrap the LED strip on the flagpole, put the heat shrink over it, and then cap the end, and that's it. So without further ado, cue the music and enjoy. As you can see, I can control the lights with an app on my phone thanks to the second controller I had to get since I fried the first one. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how I came out. Hard to beat a 6-foot light whip at this price. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.